There's 20 EMA price nicely hit and squeeze amazing profit. Now let me share with you each and every single analysis and trades we help our traders not to miss and bank amazing profit on pound yen. Let's look at the intraday analysis. All right, so first of all, if you look ahead, this was the counter short trade. We had it. Hello traders, today is 20th of November 2025. What a blessing day, guys. Amazing analysis and amazing trade. Let me share with you guys how we help our traders through live intraday analysis and help to squeeze amazing profit. I'm going to explain to you all price action through intraday, and it's very useful. You can apply in any time frame and you can get the same result. Otherwise, most welcome. Join our fast trading growing community. All right, let's look at the analysis now today. All right, so if you look at the pound dollar, as you have seen in my YouTube analysis review, if you haven't, you feel free, join. And yesterday we had this beautiful short trade, squeeze amazing profit. Our point of interest this high, as explained to my trader, we are looking possibility of counter opportunity and then possibility of pullback opportunity at this level. So how we identify this counter opportunity? If you look at the price action, we have this closing candle. We haven't seen any candle close below this level. And in intraday, this London morning session, we had this beautiful long trade here. We've been taking a long trade this morning. At the New York session, we have this beautiful pullback. We were expecting a pullback. And in intraday, we have a valid entry for short, which I'm going to explain to you how we analyze. So let's look at the analysis now. First of all, if you look at this analysis, we had this pretty straightforward, price nicely broken and develop after breakout pullback. But before that, which we explain over trader, you can see here sort of like inverted head and shoulder pattern, price nicely broken this previous high and give us the confirmation. This is the confirmation. Squeeze amazing profit. And after that, we did another analysis to look for another pullback, which is a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, nicely broken. Pullback happened just before the news. As mentioned, the recording is there in my live analysis that we are more important this point of interest. And we were expecting pullback, but I said to you because the news was about to release, as you can see, 130. I said, guys, the safest way, let the price break. Don't jump into it. The data was mixed for the dollar. We had this nicely breakout. After the breakout pullback, hit to the profit target and squeeze amazing profit on pound dollar. After banking some profit, we did another analysis, just keep taking a pullback. So we did this is the last long trade here. Pretty straightforward, as you can see here, self-explanatory. We have pullback, that's the first priority. Price nicely developed pullback, momentum was bullish, hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit. Once we see the price rejection and we see the pattern, you look at here, we have a head and shoulder pattern, price nicely broken, and most of the traders are still holding short on pound dollar. But if you look at the current structure, we have this beautiful head and shoulder pattern, and the traders are still enjoying short on pound dollar. That was a beautiful trade, guys. We had it. We also had a counter long trade on Euro USD, which is a pretty straightforward. As explained to my trader, we were looking this price action, this area. So price nicely developed a counter opportunity and we were expecting it. Let's see here. Well, we have the rejection at this level, but we also had a nice, beautiful, one small long trade on Euro USD. That was the beautiful analysis we had it, which is a pretty straightforward. As soon as the price develop a false breakout, price nicely broken and pulled back, beautiful long trade here. We were expecting a counter long trade at this way anyway, so we were morely interested about the long price nicely developed. Beautiful trade here. The amazing trades we had it, that was the pound yen and all the yen pair, not pound yen, all the yen pair. But I'm just going to show you here pound yen. We had an amazing trade, guys. Beautiful. And if you look at the price section, as always mentioned to my trader, every time when the price break recent high or low, look for the pullback. So we have this beautiful this morning, and we had a counter short trade here at this level, squeeze amazing profit. So we were expecting a long here. And after that, if you look at the price action, we have this bullish inside candle pattern and price also develop a pullback. Then we had a long trade here. We just keep taking a long trade, squeeze amazing profit. once the price hit to the profit target. And if you look at this candlestick pattern, we have a bearish inside candle pattern that give us the possibility of reversal. Then we also have taken a reversal, and then afterward we will keep taking a pullback short trade here. The target was about this, you know, inside the Bollinger Band, which is a 20 EMA. Price nicely hit and squeeze amazing profit. Now let me share with you each and every single analysis and trades. We help our traders not to miss and bank amazing profit on pound yen. Let's look at the intraday analysis. All right, so first of all, if you look ahead, this was the counter short trade. We had it. We also had this long trade here, because I can show you only few analysis here. This was the counter short trade here, which is a pretty straightforward, price nicely respected. And after this one, price broken this low here. After this one, price develop a pullback, another pullback. As soon as the price hit to this level, we explain our traders time to bank some profit. So once that is been profit is banked, then we look for another opportunity for wait for the price to develop another pattern or structure. Then we have another beautiful long trade here. Once the price develop reverse, as we explained, because we continuously monitoring a 1 hour chart, and any reversal, we look at the pattern here as explained to our trader. The price should stay below this level, but price refuse, right? So, and we are looking another pattern, and as soon as the price develop and looking for this breakout, the safest way, this was the safest way. We have this impulsive reaction. And if you look at the price action, this is what we explain: inverted head and shoulder pattern that give us the high probability trade. And in 1 hour, we were expecting a pullback, price develop breakout and pullback. And as soon as the price hit to the previous high, and this is what we explain, our traders time to bank some profit, and let's wait for the another pattern to be developed. So we have another beautiful, pretty straightforward, as you can see here, and pretty standard, which we mentioned to our trader. Look here, this is the high. We say if the price is going to break, then we look for short. Otherwise, safest way, as always mentioned to our trader, every time when the price break recent low, especially when we are looking a short trade here, let the price break and give us the confirmation. If not, continue upside. So we have this breakout. Even after that, price broken, and you can see here price give us the confirmation, continuation, and squeeze amazing profit on pound yen here. Okay, so then pretty straightforward. As always mentioned, we were expecting another continuation. The basic price action is always mentioned to our trader. We have impulsive price developer corrections. We have another beautiful breakout, hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit. Then when we see the price develop another reversal, we look at the pattern and we found this price action. You can see here, pretty straightforward. We explain each and every detail. Price nicely broken. The first priority will be the pullback. Did price develop pullback? No, right? And I also explained to my all of my trader, we have two possibilities here. Number one, we can take aggressive breakout, which is, you can see it, this is the sign which we explained in detail in our live analysis. Second, safest way, let the price break, give us the confirmation, or any pullback. This sign, any pullback, or safest way, retest. Price develop impulsive reaction. We also had this pullback. We also announced this one because in 4 hour, in 1 hour, price develop inside candle pattern. Price nicely broken. We explained over trader, guys, don't miss this opportunity. Pullback hit to the 200 EMA. That's what we explained over traders time to bank some profit. Let's see if the price develop another correction, looking for one more push to the downside. So if you look ahead, we have impulsive reaction. Price refuse to stay above this level. We had another beautiful short trade here. That was another amazing trade. You can see it, pretty straightforward. Price nicely broken. The low momentum was bearish. This is our intraday system that give us the high probability of continuation direction. So we can see down direction, price nicely broken. Even after the breakout, price nicely retest, give us the confirmation and hit to the specific profit target. That's why we suggest our traders time to bank some profit. That was the beautiful short trade. You can see, guys, how we really enjoy long, how we really enjoy short, and all these analyses being broadcasted in real time with a live audio commentary support, and most of the traders really enjoy. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis review. I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. when you see it in real time. Most welcome. If you want to see all these things in real time, to join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day, and until next time, all the best.